In this video I am talking about the LitraStudio RGB light. Before we get into this, very quick housekeeping. If you enjoy this kind of content, photography, video, tutorials, tips, reviews, please consider subscribing. At the end of this video, I'm gonna also draw the one lucky winner of the Carbon Fibre Monopod. So keep watching. If you enter that competition, keep watching. Okay, let's go right in. The LitraStudio RGB light. I have reviewed recently RGB lights, which the link is just up there, for Bolton tubes, which I'm using behind me at the moment to light the room. But this one is a little bit different. I picked it up for review. Well, I didn't pick it up. I got it from UK Digital, so thank you UK Digital for letting me review this light. I picked it up because I do like small. It's not cheap light. It's quite expensive, but it's got so many features my lights don't have that I wanted to have a quick review and see what this is all about. So Litra, the light itself comes in a nice kind of hard case, semi-hard case, I think. Let's have a look what's inside. Inside the case, we do have a kind of very short, basic explanation of what's what. But here, before we go into lights, we got a little soft dome. Nice handle. What's surprising is a USB-C charger for the battery, which is inside the light, but it's Dell quality. And then we have a multi-country international power plugs, UK, American, and Asian as well, with a cable. And the light itself lives in this little padded slot here. It's beautiful. This is heavy duty with a beautiful metal heatsink. It's beautifully made. It's just quality. Very heavy. It weighs a little bit. USB-C socket for connecting, charging and connecting cameras to it. All control of the light and all the functions are on the buttons. The lens itself, the LED lights, but it doesn't feel like the Chinese lights from Amazon. This feels super quality, high quality, which it is. It comes with the battery. The battery is inside this door here. Again, everything is very high quality. It's a big battery inside the light, so you could potentially buy another one if you are a heavy user and you wanted to have a spare one. USB-C and standard USB. It's got a check for the level of the battery on here as well. Everything works great. But all these doors for the USB-C and for the battery are all waterproof sealed. This light can be taken down to 30 feet or 10 meters underwater. It is fully waterproof. Amazing. Cool, let's switch it on first with the button here. So the light comes on. There you go. It's very bright here. Okay, this is like the lowest settings I can go. It doesn't flicker, as you can see, it doesn't flicker on video, so it's great for photography and video. It's got a full RGB control on here. Let's change it to RGB so we can actually change the color. It's got a full spectrum of colors. Needless to say, this is also controlled by the Litra app, which is free, and you can control every function of this light with the app. Different than to my RGB lights is that my RGB lights connect through Wi-Fi, so you have to go through your phone to available Wi-Fi, find your lights and connect, etc. With this, it connects with Bluetooth. You can control all the colors, brightness, and all the gimmicky features as well. Like most of RGB lights, it has got pre-built presets like fire, candle, and lightnings, and the police car, so they're all there. The quality of the light itself, it's very bright. It's 3000 lumen on this, which is fairly bright. It comes with this nice softbox. It is very bright, but it's actually straight out of the box with this still soft dome diffuser. It's soft enough for most of applications, but you can obviously balance it out a little bit to get the look you're looking for. I find this very useful for majority of situations when you need extra light and you need it portable with you. This is an extra kit you have to purchase separately. It's light modifier kit for this light. So let's have a look at that one. That comes as well with a hard case. This light modifier kit comes in three parts, which is the front one, the barn door, for controlling how much light is actually coming out from the front of it, the honeycomb grid for diffusing the light, and also a softbox in there. So you can actually remove these independently, all these 3 elements from the box, or assemble all together. It's clips onto the light quite easily, onto those heatsink grooves, like this, and that's it. All you need to do is switch it on again. Now it diffuses the light very, very nicely, but it's reducing the amount of light coming out, so it is a little bit dimmer. These lights are not cheap, and at the moment they cost just over £600, but if you wanted to have a multiples, have a backlighting or different color on the same shoot, or multiple lights to have full lighting setup, it becomes instantly very, very expensive. But they are quality. These are built to last, and they are actually very high quality in comparison to any other lights I've actually tried. These are very good. There's a few extra features in this light which are specifically photography. Mainly the USB-C connector on the back of it. You can, if you buy the PC, if you got a camera with a PC connector, the flash connector, and you got a cable from a PC camera connected to USB-C, you can actually connect that and double the available power and use it as a flashlight, which is very good. So 3000 lumen as is now, or you can use it as a flash with the 6000 lumen. So very bright, definitely usable for photography. And this is it for this very quick review of a LitraStudio RGB LED lights. So let's go and draw the winner of the carbon fiber NOVO Monopod. Are you in it to win it? I have put all the names of all of you who have commented on the NOVO Carbon Fibre giveaway. They're all in this little app with a spinny wheel, and I'm gonna just draw the winner completely randomly now. Let's click on it. That's all of you. Good luck. We're spinning. And it is Robert Polton. You are the winner. Congratulations. Well done. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribing already. I appreciate every one of you, and see you next time.